So you have decided to beautify your outdoors, protect your skin from the sun, and create a cool space for your guests by installing a canopy. Great decision, but you will soon learn it is not as easy as you have imagined. You have to get estimates, place your order, then wait 3 to 6 weeks for your canopy to be manufactured and installed. And what if after all that waiting, the color and look of your canopy isn't what you had imagined it to be? What if in the future you want to make it longer or wider, change its color to match your new furniture, or change its look and feel? Unfortunately, none of that is possible with today's systems because almost all canopies are made to order and can't be modified after installation. Infinity Canopy changes all of that. Infinity Canopy is the most adaptable, versatile, and dynamic shade system in the world, offering infinite shade, infinite design, and infinite possibilities. Its patented modular design allows it to adapt to any space and offers unique features unmatched by any other shade system. For the past 2,000 years, canopies have been made the same way, from one long piece of fabric. That means once made, they can never be changed, and if any part of the canopy gets stained or damaged, the entire canopy has to be replaced. Infinity Canopy is different. It's made of individual shade panels that connect together to make a canopy in any length. The panels can be one or multiple colors, and with 2 colors or more, they can create different patterns and designs not possible by any other shade system. And that's just the beginning. You can always change your canopy to meet any taste, style, and need. Make your canopy longer or shorter by adding and removing panels. Add new colors to create themes for holidays and special occasions. Control the flatness and bellowing of your canopy. Add vertical panels for additional shade and privacy. Break up a canopy into 2 sections so it opens towards the middle. Remove panels to create open and shaded areas. Open and close your canopy from either direction. Infinity Canopy is not just for outdoors. It can also be installed indoors to create a beautiful bellowing cover for skylights and unfinished ceilings. Infinity Canopy is built to last and perform under harsh conditions. The structural components of Infinity Canopy are made from the highest quality marine-grade stainless steel and anodized aluminum to withstand the elements, wind, and corrosion to maintain their function and beauty. Infinity Canopy's shade panels are made from the highest quality outdoor mesh and canvas fabrics that are exclusively used in the awning industry to provide years of beauty and effective shade. They are available in a variety of colors and resist to water, mold, sun damage, and fading. Maintenance of Infinity Canopy is a breeze. It can be taken down within minutes for storage during winter. The panels can be easily cleaned to retain and reflect their original beauty, and repairs if needed can be done quickly with replacement parts and panels. Don't waste your time and money with other systems that offer limited shades like umbrellas or custom canopies that can cost 2 to 3 times more. No other shade system can match Infinity Canopy's value, versatility, longevity, and infinite design possibilities. Order your Infinity Canopy today and transform your outdoor space with your own unique taste, style, and need. Infinite shade, infinite design, infinite possibilities, Infinity Canopy.